Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to showcasing the most innovative and stylish TV wall ideas to transform your living spaces. Whether you are an interior design enthusiast, a homeowner seeking inspiration, or someone looking to revamp your entertainment area, this channel is the ultimate hub for creative TV wall designs. Join us as we explore a diverse range of setups, from modern and minimalist to electric and rustic, all designed to complement various tastes and preferences. Discover the beauty of simplicity with our collection of modern minimalist TV wall ideas. Explore clean lines, neutral color palettes, and sleek wall mounted television installations. We shall guide you through techniques to hide cables, incorporate floating shelves, and add subtle touches of decor for a sophisticated and cluttered free look. Immerse yourself in the world of high tech entertainment with our tech savvy TV wall concepts. Experience the latest smart home integration where your TV becomes centerpiece of a cutting-edge entertainment hub. Learn about motorized mounts, interactive screens, and smart lighting systems that elevate your viewing experience. Turn your TV wall into a mesmerizing gallery display that combines art and entertainment. Discover inventive ways to combine artwork, family photos, and memorabilia around your television, creating a personalized and visually captivating focal point in your living room. Escape to nature without leaving your home with our nature inspired TV wall ideas. From foxstone accent walls to botanical themed backdrops, we shall show you how to bring the beauty of the outdoors into your indoor space, adding a touch of tranquility to your viewing area. Explore the warmth and charm of rustic TV wall designs that infuse your space with character. Learn how to use reclaimed wood, vintage accessories, and earthy color schemes to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that evokes a sense of nostalgia. For those with limited space, our space saving TV wall ideas offer smart solutions to maximize your room potential. Discover innovative wall mounted TV stands, hidden storage compartments, and compact designs that blend functionality and style effortlessly. Dive into a world of vibrant colors and patterns with our color centric TV wall inspirations. From bold accent walls to create color blocking techniques, we shall show you how to experiment with color to create an eye catching and energetic ambience. Whether you are a design enthusiast or someone looking to revamp your living space, our YouTube channel is your ultimate source for TV wall ideas that combine aesthetics, functionality, and creativity. Transform your entertainment area into a stylish haven with our diverse collection of innovative designs and let your TV wall become the center of attention in your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.